Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Teamwork.com projects for client collaboration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Teamwork.com website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, find and click on the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, locate the Projects tab on the sidebar to get started. Click on the Add Project button. Fill in the project name in the designated field. Next, choose a project template if you wish to use one. If not, select the blank project option for complete customization. Once you've named your project, move on to Add Project Details. Include a description to clarify the project objectives and goals. Scroll down to set the project start and end dates. Make sure to select the appropriate status from the drop-down menu, such as active or on hold. Now, designate team members who will You can invite clients by entering their email addresses in the designated field. Choose their role, such as client or contributor, to set permissions accordingly. After setting up the team, click on the Create Project button to finalize. Your project will now appear on your dashboard, ready for collaboration. To further customize your project, click on the project name to enter its workspace. Here, you can create tasks, set deadlines, and assign team members as needed. Utilize the chat feature for real-time communication with your clients. Invite clients to specific tasks or discussions to enhance clarity and collaboration. Keep track of progress using the built-in reporting features. Regularly update tasks and timelines to ensure everyone remains on the same page. Foster ongoing communication through comments and file sharing within the project. This will ensure a smooth and efficient collaborative experience with your clients. Review the project regularly to adapt to any changes or new requirements. By following these steps, you'll successfully set up Teamwork.com projects for effective client collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.